My name is Captain Matthew.
Captain Matthew.
Yes.
Okay, Captain.
Yeah.
Between your phone number and your name, Captain Matthew, which one the important pass?
My name is very important than my phone number.
If your name is important more than your phone number,
yes,
which one you suppose first give a stranger?
I must give the stranger my name first before my phone number. Yes, because my mama no born me give me phone number, you born me give me name.
My name is more important for me.
Why do you think so?
Yeah, because they say good name is better than good riches.
Wow.
First of all, my name is Raymond Idam. I'm from Cross River State.
Okay.
My name, you want to compare my name and the phone number?
Hey.
My name is more important to me than the phone number because my name was given to me from the day of my birth. When I came to this world,
yes, okay.
That is when my name came.
Exactly.
So it's more precious and more better than my phone number.
If person meet you up and ask you to give him between your phone number and your name, which one will you give at first?
Of course, I will give my name first. You have to know me because when we started, I have to introduce myself first. I give you my name first before I start saying anything. Yeah.
Okay. My name now.
Your name?
Yes.
So if your name is more important, can you easily give me out your number?
I can give you now. It's normal.
It's not important to you?
It's important now. Both of them are more important, but my name is much more important to me, Sha.
Seriously?
Yes.
It's a reverse psychology. If actually your name is more important than your phone number, it's expected that you should give out your phone number before giving out your name. But today, people value their phone number more than their name. They can easily just shake you and tell you their name, even where they come from, without giving out their phone number. Shame how we value things. Your name is greater than your phone number. Therefore, hold on to your name, because even after death, it still be your name, but you can lose your number and change it.